Once upon a time, in a big green tree, there lived a little bird named Chirpy. Chirpy was the slowest of all the birds. The big birds would fly high in the sky, but Chirpy could only flap a little and then fall down. The other birds laughed. "You're too small to fly," they said. But Chirpy didn't give up. He flapped his wings every day. Flap, flap, jump, fall, but still he kept trying. One day, the sky turned dark. Clouds came, wind blew. A storm was coming. Suddenly lightning struck the tree. A baby bird fell from the high branch. "Help, help!" cried the baby bird. The big birds were scared. They did not move. Chirpy looked down. "I will help," he said. He jumped from his branch, flapping through the wind. He flew to the baby bird. "Hold on to me," he said. The baby bird held him tight. Chirpy flapped and flew up, 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 back to the nest. All the birds watched in surprise. Then they clapped and cheered. "You are the bravest bird," they said. The next morning, Chirpy flew higher than all. Now they all called him